guys? I'm Nate. Welcome to my channel. This is the first time I'll be starting this kind of vlog style setup. I'm doing some behind the scenes for hiking up a trail right now at Little Tunnel in Santa Barbara, California, to go do photo shoot with local mountain biker Will Kirschke. He rides for Lonewolf Suspension, which is a suspension service company for mountain bikes here in Santa Barbara, and also Memory Pilot. They do fenders and socks here in Goleta, and so we're just gonna go get some shots this Sunday morning. Here we go. So we're almost there. We're halfway there. We're gonna get up to where those power lines are right there, and that'll be pretty much where the drop-in is for the trail, and we'll work our way down from there. Some water finally flowing after some rains right before the New Year. Pretty nice. Hopefully the trail's held up pretty well after the rain. So we're getting up to the fork in the road over here, is where you could head up to Inspiration Point, or you could go right towards the Little Tunnel area. It's easier when you're climbing on the bike to go to the right, but I'm just gonna hike straight up the trail right over here. And here's the new map that they put up recently with the trail volunteers and everything, but it'll be at the bottom of the tunnel trail from the top of the peak. But there's a way that you could just do the lower sections and do some laps. So we're setting up for the first shot here. It's on the first couple drops into the trail here. It's got probably 4 rock drops, like one after another, and so we're just gonna try to get him kind of scrubbing over some of those and see how they turn out. So next shot right here, we're gonna try to just add in a little bit of foreground with the inner part of this like kind of berm here, and he's gonna try to scrub over this rock roll. Go for it. Try doing the panning shot, get a little bit of motion blur going on with it. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. And we're back to the car. That's a successful photo shoot this morning. I'm gonna go on a gravel ride with some group of guys in town here and start editing tonight.